I hope you guys can see this because through my camera lens, because this is a beautiful pizza. Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today I'm gonna do my love project. We're making Brooklyn pizza. Let's go. Now we're going to stretch the pizza by hand. Fresh mozzarella goes on first. Put all my fresh mozz on there. Don't be shy with it. That looks good. Switch that around like that. Switch it around like that. Now we're going to add the sauce. The sauce goes on top of the cheese. A little Reggiano cheese. A little bit of oil. And there you go. In the oven we go. Wow, this came out really, really, really good. I am so happy with this pizza. Amazingly well. I'm gonna give it a minute to rest. Wow, really, really, really good. Whew. Oh, the crust, it's singing. Oh, you hear that? Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh my God. This is amazing. Let me check the bottom. That is pizza pie. Wow. Guys, this is going to be an amazing pizza, I can just tell right now. This is going to be beautiful. This is going to be a beautiful pizza. And I can't wait to eat it. Wow. Oh, hear that? Hear that crunch? It just pops. It's beautiful. What an amazing pizza. I can't wait to slice it, try it out. Alright, the pizza looks amazing. I'm so happy the way it turned out. I used the Old Trump's flour, the unbromated, unbleached, healthy version. I ordered the other version, the bromated version, and hopefully that will be coming in a few days. So I'll start making pizza with that flour. Supposedly you get more rise out of that one, because this is the healthy version, so that you're keeping it healthy for right now. Anyway, let's slice this Brooklyn pie and test it out. Ah, the crunch. Oh, the crunch. Oh, it's just amazing. That's gonna be the slice I'm gonna pick. Ooh, look how good that looks from the side. Amazing. That's the top. That's the bottom. Top. Look at that. So beautiful. Outstanding. Better than most pizzerias that have Brooklyn in their name on the West Coast here. The crunch, the taste, amazing. I'm really impressed by this pizza. And don't forget, in my kitchen oven at 550 degrees. That's all you need for an amazing pizza like this. You don't need no fancy equipment. Just follow these simple steps. You can enjoy pizza like this. I'm gonna eat the rest of this pizza. And you guys have a great day, and please check with me in my next video. Thank you for watching Parks and Pizza, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.